Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we are going to do something special. We're going to use the Real Show barbecue sauce, Scott Bailey sauce. We're going to make some real Eastern North Carolina ribs out here in Nebraska. We're going to pull it off. We're going to do it the correct way. It's going to be delicious. We'll see you back. Alright, so Eastern North Carolina barbecue, from what I understand, what you do for a rub is just kosher salt and black pepper, and then we're going to take it out. We're going to do it on the Traeger. We're going to do it hot and fast. So 275 to 300. So what I've done is I've already taken the membrane out of both these baby backs here, and now we're just going to give them some salt. We get roll over. Get the edges, back side. Right? A good amount of pepper, and I will get these both done. And when we go back, we'll take it out to the Traeger. Alright, here we got them done here. Well, they're not done. They are seasoned up. Kosher salt, fresh cracked black pepper. My arms wore out. But here they are. We're going to go throw these on the Traeger at around 300. Hot and fast. And then we're going to mop up the whole way with Bailey's barbecue sauce. The Real Show barbecue sauce. We'll see you out at the Traeger. Everybody, alright, we're out here on the tee. We got our ribs. Let's get them on. It's cold out here in Nebraska. Alright, got our tee set. We got that going. We got our tee set to around 300. I'll bring you out for the first, second, third block. We're back out here doing our East Carolina ribs. We got sauce here. We're just gonna pop these bad boys up. A lot of this sauce. A lot of flavor going on in here. Like I said, we are cooking hot and fast today, so we're at around 300 here. So we gotta keep our meat as a basis, which is perfect for this sauce. Alright, we'll be back for another one. Alright, we're back. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes into this. We're starting to get a little color. This will be the third block. I dug a few without you. These aren't going to get the traditional mark that you're used to seeing on ribs. That's okay. This is Eastern North Carolina ribs, vinegar based sauce made by the Real Show barbecue. It won't be long, guys. I'm seeing a little bit of pullback starting here. I'd say another 30 minutes to an hour, we'll be there. We'll see you next inside. I won't make you go through another block. It is cold out. You can see my breath. All right, so we got him off the Traeger. Here we go. Eastern North Carolina barbecue at its finest. I'm hoping. Our baby back. We're gonna flip her over. Take a cut out of it. Let's see what we did here. Alright, peeps, look at that. Look at all that coming out of there. Oh, the smells. It's delicious. Look at nice, juicy. Alright, here we go. We're going to do the bite test. You're going to see my ugly mug. Absolutely delicious. Vinegar, sweet, spices, a lot of spice in it. Not a lot. Really, 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 really well balanced. So once again, go get this sauce at the Real Show Barbecue. His name is Scott. He will hook you up. Go check out his channel. And once again, I'd like to thank you for stopping by Cooking with Corey. Love the support. We'll see you next time.